Hello from Cars FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show you how to replace front brake pads of Golf 4, which is produced from 1997 to 2004. The front brake pads, it's easy to replace it. You have two bolts which are on the rear part. You have to untighten it on the caliper, and there's a spring in front which you have to take it off as well. The important things that you have to know is when you take the caliper, you have to, these bolts that we're taking out now, you have to clean it with sandpaper, then grease it with special grease for brakes. And the other things that you have to know, because in this car, when you don't change the brake discs, see the spring now, you have to take that spring in front before we take the caliper out of the discs. The new brake pads, because we don't change the discs. When you don't change the disc, you have to, because there's an edge on the discs, you have to screw the edge of the bottom and top edge of the new brake pads, because they're gonna touch, otherwise they're gonna touch the edge of the disc and the brakes won't work properly. Yeah, we have to clean all rust around, because around the brake, the caliper, the discs everywhere, because we need the new brake pads to move freely in the caliper around the discs. See, we're taking these two bolts now, and we clean it with sandpaper. Have to be clean because they have to, and then we grease it with special grease for brakes. You can take that grease from any parts shop. That's one that we use it. Yeah, that's it, yeah. Then we use that special tool to push the piston of the caliper back, because the new brake pads are thicker, and from the older if we don't push push it, it won't fit. When everything is done, you have to know, when you put the wheels on as well, you have to go into the car before you move it. Just push the pedal a few times until the brake pedal, until it's getting hard. With every car coming in our garage, we make new video clips. If you want to watch it, you have to visit, you can visit our channels. Our channels are, this one is Cars FIX Sevt AUTO, and the other one is Peter's Garage. As the new we clean the paint around the brake pads and the edge of the pad. Bottom and top edge. Then we fit the pads. The other one, there's a spring. The inner one, there's a spring. We put within the piston inside. Then we fit it, then put the bolts on the spring that's in the front. Yeah, see the spring? Fit in the caliper inside. Thank you again for visiting our channels, Cars FIX Sevt AUTO, and Peter's garage. Don't forget to push brake pedal a few times.